Capital budget includes a $35 million investment in the University of Wisconsin-Stout to update South Hall. The update would improve functionality, safety, energy efficiency, and building code compliance. Right now, South Hall is not accessible to everyone. That's unacceptable. That's unacceptable for any campus. We need to invest in our UW facilities so we can continue to attract and retain the top talent that I just described to you, those Stout students that I met a year or two ago.
It renovates the 4-story, 36-bed, 1960s residence hall configured in 3 building cubes. It provides programmatic and infrastructure upgrades. It builds additions to house expanded restrooms, an elevator, and circulation stairway. It creates an accessible entrance. It expands and remodels the bathrooms into shared commons, lounge, and kitchen spaces that are ADA compliant. It installs new exterior windows and doors. It replaces obsolete mechanical telecom, security, and life safety systems. It improves the fire alarm and smoke detection systems to code compliance, and it replaces the roof and repairs the exterior envelope. Did I do that right, Phil? Did I have it all covered? So as you can see, this is a vital project for us, and we're very grateful for the governor's support of that project.
UW-Stout students are really devoted to sustainability and doing everything they can to preserve our natural resources and protect our environment. That's why it makes so much more sense to renovate a residence hall like South Hall rather than tear it down and build something new. This renovation approach is something that we pride ourselves on at Stout. In fact, a previous SSA had the foresight to decide to renovate the student center we are in now rather than tear this building down and build something new. Everyone now agrees that that was a much better option, both in terms of sustainability, but also for the level of segregated fees our students pay.
Well, there's a lot of services that impact student success, and frankly, a lot, quality of the staff and all that. But also, housing plays a huge role. People need to be able to be comfortable in their environment, safe in their environment, able to collaborate with fellow students in their living spaces. So, yeah, I believe very, very strongly that the living spaces and what goes on in those living spaces provide a positive environment for students to succeed at UW-Stout and any other place in the state of Wisconsin campuses that we have.